Hey there friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this 100-watt portable solar power station here. IP65 rating, so basically you can do everything but swim with this thing. So quite small, very thin, I like that, weighs 5.5 pounds. Let's open this thing up here, shall we? Some strong Velcro there. Look at that, there are our solar panels right there. That is pretty cool. And then we have on the back these little things can be adjusted. So depending on the angle you want of your solar panel, you can just put these down like that and adjust that to a different angles. That's pretty cool. And that stretches out like that. This is quite nice. All right, then in the pack here we have, this unzips, have our instructions here, and this is you can hook this up to different things here, like if you have a charging station or something like that, or battery pack, you can hook these up to that. All kinds of adapters right there. Also has two USB-A, USB-C, and another one there we can plug into to charge your devices. So all kinds of cool stuff there. Super handy if you take something like this, like camping, RVing, whatever you're doing. You can also just use this to just hang out in the backyard or whatever and just charge up your things. So that's pretty cool here. Let me check out these instructions real quick. Okay friends, Will actually just hooked up my phone to this. See if we can get it here. So just from the light in my computer room here, it was charging my phone up, so that's pretty crazy. But these cables, especially the Anderson cable, like basically a universal one to hook up to your batteries to keep those charged. So you have an RV or something like that, generally they just have a plug-in. You can just plug those right in. All these other ones are adapters for whatever you need to plug in. Super handy. Obviously, I'm gonna take this outside and throw this in the sunlight and show you guys just how well this thing works. Okay, so here we go. That one's charging. That one right here is also charging. 15 minutes till full. This light's on. These are also charging here. We have all these different hookups you can hook up here as well. So these are super handy. There's a lot of universal things that these plug into. So here we are. Just really easy to set up. You make sure you get like full sunshine on there. And the cat. But yeah, you can charge multiple devices on here at once.